wing it.
That's right. I quit. So it's
it's my turn to take over the JakeOfALL business.
It's all you. It's all you.
How do I do this business?
Exactly. What do you got?
Yeah. So
besides guns,
we have got some new. We got the new Neat Tools Handle Release Kit, right? Okay, so we got this.
This is like version 3, 2, something?
I think it's 3 because we had 2 on our site for a while.
Right.
Okay, so anyways, so we're going to use some of these things. So it does, look at this neat little bag and kit it comes with. So
all
it comes with all of the materials that you are going to need. It comes with its own screws, 2 Allen wrenches, some plastic
QR code to take you to a video.
Yeah. And then you're going to need 2 different size drill bits.
What sizes? Kidding. 5/32 and 7/32.
Wait, 13/64 and...
What? 5/32, 5/32
sure,
and 7/32.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Yeah, whatever. I don't do math.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're going to need one of these guys.
What's that? It's not a nugget dugger.
It's not a nugget dugger. And then this is optional.
Because I just wanted...
Because
I wanted to use a bigger tool.
If you don't want to have to use those Allen wrenches, you can get your own one of these little things.
Okay.
Which one's this one?
So, all right,
okay.
do it. You're done. Come on.
I'm sure you have to take off the handle somehow.
With the drill, yeah.
Right?
Do I need to step in?
Yeah, here, let me take over.
Okay.
I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, so roles are reversed. You're on this side.
Exactly.
Now.
Right. So what Packout Princess didn't say is that we're doing a quick tip. You're going to see a Friday video, probably linked in this, where we're going to show this off more, what it does and how it works. But we're going to go ahead and get to installing it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the 2 stock Milwaukee screws. If you've already installed a pin kit, you will just remove the pins. Now, you're going to want to pull the handle off. Okay. And then you're going to want to say, did I have a stock kit or not? If I had stock, you're going to drill this guy out. Okay. And forward. Without the handle. Okay. And then I'll go over everything that is in the kit besides cool stickers. Installation guide, but you're going to watch my guide because you guys like me. Install drill template, our hardware, our left and right latch. And the way you tell which one you have is by which one the pin is on. So this is the left latch, and these are going to go here, and this is going to go here. Okay, so we're going to move those out of the way, and we're going to go ahead and dump out our hardware. And they do provide wrenches, but I didn't want to use them. So I'm going to use my little...
That's because you actually use your tools.
Yeah, and I'm going to go ahead and install these. And these are basically the stops. Now, this is plastic. And one of the #1 concerns that people, or complaints that people did when Neat did this, or when I did the kits with Electron Smith, was they were stripping out holes. So
it's plastic. It's gonna bend and warp, and so you got to be gentle with it.
And this is why we're not using power tools except for to drill the holes out. So you want some threads still in there.
You gotta use some finesse with it, huh?
Yeah, sometimes I have a hard time getting it started in the hole. It's just, you know.
Sometimes you just need the right angle. There it goes.
Okay, so that was the 7/32. So now we have our stops installed. Okay, so now we put our handles back in, and they're gonna hit the stops. And that's gonna get us into a spot where we want it so that we can do the next step. Take the 5/32, load it in. We're gonna take our drill guide, okay? And if you look here, these are the 5/32 holes, and then these are the 7/32 holes. We're going to add, right, these holes to each side, okay? And let's go ahead and get these drilled. Okay, before I drill, I wanna make sure, correction / you do this as well. When we drill the first set of holes, these are what the pins are basically gonna go in. So we wanna make sure we're not drilling through this. We're drilling through this metal and this plastic. So with the alignment guide, right, and definitely a better drill bit than the last one, you see we've got a left side and we've got a right side, and we're gonna take the 7/32.
So you drill on the right side because it's going on the right side. Drill the left side because it's going on
exactly.
the left side.
So then we'll just come back over, same drill bit. Okay, so we drilled through the plastic and we drilled through the metal. Now we take it off. We hit our garage door opener. Okay, so now with the 5/32, we put it back on and we do all of these holes and just, don't drill through your fingers. Okay, so now we can take, and again, we said left side is the one that has the pin. We're gonna go like that. We're gonna take the hardware that's included. And remember, just like we said down below, this is plastic. We're gonna get it in and snug it up. Snug it up. So we're gonna go ahead and get all these installed. All right, that's it. We got the last one snug. So now we're gonna go ahead and drop the handle down into the hole. Okay, and we're latched in. To remove it, you do not have to lower that, but there you go. Now, you have a bigger hole. As you can see, it's aligned. That was one of the complaints of old designs, which has definitely been improved. It is a thicker pin that goes in, and now we have a quick release handle kit. Again, this is from Neat Tools, and I was looking to see here if he referred to it, but you can get these at the shop.JakeOfALL website. We'll have a link in the description. Everything that is from Neat actually drop ships from him. But if you're looking for other cool PACKOUT mods, you can check it out on our website, or you could also head over to neattools.com. So this was the quick tip installation guide for the pins. You guys have a good one, and thanks, PACKOUT Princess. I think you honestly did a better job than me.
I probably would have messed something up.
No.
Bye.
See ya.